Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. In this video, I'd like to talk about post-corona syndrome, as this topic is very important to address right now than in the future. I've made few important points as a note. I might overlook the note very often, pardon me for that, and I'll speak in a simple way so that you can understand. I'll take my example and I'll talk the important points. So let's start the video. The first important point, if I'm tested corona positive or COVID-19, which we usually calling right now, if I'm tested positive from the government side to avoid the fever, there are two important medicine which is given. The first one is Dolo and the other medicine is HCQ. So the full forms and the abbreviations you can check it in the Google, you will be getting it. After providing the treatment, am I cured from the COVID-19? No. After taking the medicine, if I'm not cured, I start facing the breathing issue. As we don't have any vaccine right now, these are the steps taken from the government side to lower the fatality rate. So I start facing the breathing problem. I'll not be able to breathe as much as the non-COVID patient do. I would be having some breathing problem. As the symptom for COVID-19 is respiratory, running nose and sore throat, I would be facing the breathing issue if I'm not cured from the tablets, if I'm COVID-19 patient. When I face an breathing issue, I'll be put into the ICU, onto the ventilator. As I'm not able to breathe by my own, the oxygen is pumped from the ventilator to me to breathe easily. So after doing this treatment, I'm cured from COVID-19 and I have tested negative and I have sent to the home. So when I'm sent home, the virus is not completely gone from my body. Only I have got treatment from the government to avoid the fever and the other COVID-19 related problems. I'm cured from that and I have tested negative, but the virus is not gone from my body. So if the virus is not gone from my body, this is delaying the recovery stage completely. I'm not recovered completely from the COVID-19. Only I'm cured from the fever and other related problems. So the recovery stage is not completely done. So this is called post-corona syndrome. So in this normal, the person who's tested for positive of corona and now negative will face health issues. So I might get heart related problems, fatigue, tiredness. I'll not be able to do any work. There would be very tidy kind of in the body. And the main cause is about the breathing issue, which we should be careful of this reason, because asthmatic patients are higher in Bangalore and Karnataka with breathing issues, which becomes a major concern during the winter season for most of the southern part of India. If you see Tamil Nadu or Bangalore or any other places in south side, the winter season is the main problem where we get a fever or other problems. So these are the very important points to understand in post-corona syndrome in this topic, and how we can avoid this by wearing mask. So when you are wearing a mask, the droplets which is in the air, which has been sneezed from the COVID-19 patients, will help you when you're wearing mask not to enter inside in your body. So when you're wearing mask, please cover it fully. So in this way, please cover it fully in this way, not like wearing into the neck or forehead, not in that way. So these are the few important things you can avoid from COVID-19, and the above mentioned important topics are really important, guys. Please understand the situation right now. I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, please share it with your friends. Please show this video to your friends so that they can understand what is the exact problem we'll be facing after tested for COVID-19. I'll see you on the next video. Please wear a mask when you step outside. Maintain social distancing. Thank you very much. And I've posted two videos of one is about Big Billion Day sale and the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. I'll share it on the video description link. You can check it out. And in this video, if you have any doubt or clarification, please comment down below. I'll be happy to help you on the doubts. Thank you for watching my channel.